How to add markers in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Begin by moving your playhead to the area where you want to add the marker and then just press M on your keyboard. You'll notice a green marker appear at the top here. You can change the colour of this by pressing M again. This will bring up the marker window, which you can change the name of the marker. And you can also add comments, and you can also change the marker colour, and this will be reflected in your timeline. Once you're happy with the marker configuration, you can choose OK to click out of it, and then you'll see your changes reflected. And if you hover over your marker, you will see the name that you gave to it as well as the description. You can also expand markers in Premiere Pro, so you have the ability to expand it over a period of time. To do this, hold Option or Alt on your keyboard and click and drag out like so, and then you'll be able to see the name of your marker as well as the description, and you can make this as long or as short as you want it to be. If you want to delete a marker, you can just double click on the marker like so, and then click on this delete button up here, and that will remove it from your project. And that's all there is to it.